Hey everybody, it's Chase here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I've got this 2021 Polaris XP4 1000 Turbo, and I want to talk to you about the Tusk sliding rear glass window that we have installed. This window will fit models 2014 all the way up to 2023 for the XP1000 and XP Turbo models. And if you're looking for the most versatility in a rear glass window, this is what you need. Just like the name says, it's a sliding glass window. So from the inside of the cab, you can open it up and it just gives you more versatility. So if there is a day where you want to maximize airflow, getting air going for the front, out the back, maybe you're trying to evacuate some dust out of the cab, this rear glass window is going to allow you to do that. It's got a black powder coated frame, which looks great. We've got a great how-to video, showed you step by step how to get this installed. The glass is safety laminated auto glass, so the clarity, the durability is second to none. And it looks awesome when you have this thing mounted up to your machine. It's got cutouts also, so if you do have safety harnesses, cutouts are gonna allow those to be installed easily. But we also have other great options. We have this, we have a standard rear glass window, we have a polycarbonate option, so if you're looking to save some money, that's an option. And then in the front, when it comes to windshields, we've got a lot of great choices there as well. We have a folding glass windshield, you have just the standard glass windshield, a couple options, polycarbonate half windshields. So no matter what your needs are, what you're looking to do inside the cab of your XP1000, Tusk has a lot of really good options. You can always just utilize the Tusk ecosystem because you can see we've got our roof on here as well. But again, if you have an XP1000 or XP Turbo, you're looking for the most versatile rear glass window, this sliding glass is exactly what you need. So if you grab yours, click on the link and head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com, enter the year, make, and model on the product page, and if your machine pops up there, you'll know it'll fit. Or if you want to see everything that will fit your machine, on our homepage, again, just enter the year, make, and model, and you'll see everything that you can bolt directly onto your side-by-side. We ship for free over $75, and get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date on products like this. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.